Tuesday, September 17th, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello, Pythons. Welcome back to Talk About It Tuesday.
Today, we'll be interviewing one Python to ask a question.
To hear what they're thinking about. Hello, Pythons. Welcome to Talk About It Tuesday. I'm here with
Ashley.
and we have one question for her. What's your favorite snack from the vending machine?
I'm probably gonna say Dr. Pepper.
What do you think we should add to the vending machine?
Blue Takis.
Good pick. Now back to Python TV.
That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow with news and updates. Have a great day. Go Python!